Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about SAP ABAP deleting internal tables. So the delete statement is used to delete one or more records from an internal table. The records of an internal table are deleted either by specifying a table key or condition or by finding duplicate entries. If an internal table has a non-unique key and contains duplicate entries, the first entry from the table is deleted. So the syntax to use the delete statement to delete a record or line from an internal table. Delete table internal table from work area itab. And the syntax, the work area itab expression is a work area and it should be compatible with the type of the internal table. The delete operation is performed on the basis of a default key that could be taken from the work area components. You may also specify a table key explicitly in the delete table statement by using the syntax delete table internal table with the table key. In the syntax F1, F2, Fn are fields of an internal table and K1, K2, Kn are the key fields of this table. The delete statement is used to delete the records or lines of the internal table based on the expression. If the data types of the fields are not compatible with K1, K2, Kn key fields, then the SAP system automatically converts them into a compatible format. The delete statement is used to delete the lines from my table where the value of the key field is either 1 or 3. After deletion, the field of my table contains values 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 as shown in the output. Column Q field contains the values 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP internal table. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.